Hi guys, I just received my Ipsy Glam bag for June 2019, and this is what the bag looks like. I have taken the items out of the bag, and yeah, this is what it looks like. It has the little Ipsy tag right there on the end, and then this is what the zipper part has for the little tab there. It's cute. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And yeah, to join Ipsy it's $10, and you pay for that each month. And I wanted to show you what came in there. This little thing here came in there. It says June 2019, welcome to the block party. And then at the bottom, I'm not reading it, in the center there, it says hashtag Ipsy block party. And yeah, this is what it looks like. And then I'm gonna show you the inside. This is what they started doing. They started putting in letting you know what's the products that you're receiving, which is really good. It's like sort of like the Sephora the Sephora bag that I always get. Yeah, but then in the back here it says Score Glamour Bag Plus is here, and you can get full size, and I think they charge you a little bit more for that, to get items for more. I'm just babbling, forgive me for that. The first item is Purlisse, and it's a watermelon energizing marshmallow peel off mask. It says purify pores, brighten skin, visibly firm, and tightens. And yeah, that's what this looks like. Then the next item is Delectable, and it says Butter Wash Body Polish Triple Citrus Blend. And this is that. Then the next item is Sugar, and it is a contour, and it says Mini Highlighter Champagne Campaign. And I'm going to open it up to show you what it looks like inside. And this is what it looks like inside. Really pretty. And this is a highlighter. Then the next item is Tetris, and this is an eyeshadow. And we're gonna open this up to show you what it looks like, meaning myself. And it says it's called Game Night. It's a pretty gold, very nice. And then the next item that I received is Huda Beauty, and it's a lip strobe. And the color is called, if I'm not mistaken, Majestic. But I'll look at the bottom to let you know. Yeah, Majestic, cool. It says Majestical. And this is a pretty like pink color with like, it has like glitter in there. It's really cute. And so that is what I got in my glam bag. And I also got like 2 other items that I just paid extra for. And this one is called, excuse the noise outside, it's called Glow. And it says for a cause. And it says Lip Love Flirt. And it's really a nice, it smells really good. And it's really moisturizing, so I like it. So yeah, this is what this looks like. I just like things straight, so. And then the last thing that I got here is called, and it says coconut, and then here it has the coffee scrub, organic feeling. Here it says Los Angeles, and this is a scrub that I bought for extra. And yeah, here are all the items that I received in my Ipsy Glam bag for June 2019. And I just want to thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up or subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And thanks again. And I just want to say goodbye.